Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I have a great update for you guys. So if you are using Windows 11 and you use the Snipping Tool, the Snipping Tool now has a video feature. So before I used the Snipping Tool simply to take screenshots of things, and copy paste feature is the most common use. Now with the video function, you can actually take a video of part of a screen and you can click through things. If you want to show someone how to do something, you can snip the process and send it to them by just simply using the Snipping Tool. This is really cool. I hope this is really helpful for all of you guys, especially if you're trying to teach people how to do something. As always, for more information, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, and for questions, feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.